Let's start with the basics. Open Terminal. Imagine your folder directory is like a house, and Terminal is like a tour guide. By default, Terminal starts off in your home directory. Directory is the same as folder. You can see what I mean by typing pwd. That's print working directory. It's like asking, where am I? On your Mac. Simple, right? Now, ls list. This command lists the files and folders in your current directory. We can see the many subfolders located within the home directory, such as our desktop folder. To change directory, we simply type cd desktop. But now, let's build something new. mkdir or make directory. mkdir notes. That creates a folder called notes. Now let's move into our notes folder. cd notes. Now let's create a sample text file using the touch command. Touch text.txt. We're creating a blank canvas, a text file. Let's run a command to open the text file with the textedit application. Open -a textedit.app text.txt. Now we'll type some sample text in our file. Once we save our file, let's see how we can show the file's contents with Terminal. cat text.txt. Terminal prints out the text file's contents for us to quickly look at. Now, MV lets you rename a file quickly. mvtext.txt howdy.txt. We've given it a new name, a new identity. Let's see how we can organize files from Terminal. mkdir extra creates a new directory named extra. mvhowdy.txt./extra moves our file to the extra directory. The / is simply a reference to the current directory. And to see the bigger picture, cd tilde/desktop. Back to the overview. Tilde is simply a reference to the home directory. A quick way to duplicate a file is the cp command. cp-r./test.text./notes. Now we've made a carbon clone within the notes folder. Finally, we'll clean up our test files with the remove command or rm-test.txt, a clean slate. This, my friends, is the power of the command line. It's a world of endless possibilities. With these fundamental tools, you can explore, create, and command your Mac like never before.
File's done. Goodbye.